this problem, we're looking at stairway design, where an architect can use the formula 2h plus d is equal to 25, where h is the riser height of the stairs and d is the tread depth. Don't have to really understand what this means. All we're looking for is which of the following expresses the riser height, which is h, in terms of the tread depth, which is d. So we're looking to solve this equation and get h in terms of d. So we want to get h alone and then have a bunch of stuff, including d, on the other side. So the first thing we want to do is we want to subtract d from both sides. That leaves these canceling, and we get 2h is equal to 25 minus d. And again, we want to get h alone, so if we divide both sides by 2, this coefficient disappears. These 2's cancel out. You get h is equal to 25 minus d over 2. This doesn't look exactly like any of our answers. We just have to pull out the 1/2. So since this is 1 times 25 minus d, right? Since anything times 1 is just itself. If you pull out this from the numerator and bring it down here and leave the 1 up there, then you get 1/2 times 25 minus d, which means b is going to be your answer.